Alright, hi YouTube. This is the part 2 video of the Hampton Bay Minuet 2. It's now up and running. I hooked it up today. It's a pretty good fan. It does make a little noise, but not too bad, but that's okay. Let me move back a little more. Right now it's currently hanging in my fan shop, but it will be going in the laundry room eventually. But without further ado, I will demonstrate it. Here's the light. Right now I'm using a IKEA fluorescent bug bulb. It's a fluorescent bulb, and it has the incandescent shell around it to make it look like an incandescent. Very dim, but it brightens up after. But I'm not gonna wait. And now the fan. Here it is on low. Top view. It's not going to be a good shot. Here's medium. Until it spins kind of fast. But I like these little 6-blade huggers. What am I saying? I like these little 6-bladed fans. I also like 6-blade huggers. I have a 6-bladed basketball fan. I'll show you that later on. And hi. You can tell it's a very powerful little fan. You can tell it completely flies. And I'll shut it off. So you guys have it. That is the part 2 video of the Hampton Bay Minuet 2 ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Fanman 2000, over and out.